Hey guys, this is how to use Pay Later in Revolut. So guys, as you can see, we are on the official page of Revolut. So in order for you to use Pay Later in Revolut, Pay Later lets you split purchases into 3 monthly payments with a 1.65% fee per installment. So guys, you can use your existing debit Revolut cards with Pay Later or a dedicated Pay Later virtual card. So now, in order for you to activate the Pay Later, just simply go open the application into your device and go to Home. And on the bottom menu, guys, just tap on the card icon in the top right corner. And from there, just simply select a card with the Pay Later label. And guys, remember that Pay Later can't be activated for Revolut Pro cards, credit cards, or inactive cards. So if you use it with a virtual card, simply add the card details to Apple Pay or Google Pay to shop in store. And as you can see down below, you should be able to see here the restricted services and location. So you cannot use Pay Later on casino, betting outlets, pawn shops, purchasing online lottery tickets or gaming chips, engaging in share trading or spread betting, direct marketing subscription, settling fines or supporting political organizations, bail and bond payments, and escort services, and lastly for utilities and fuel dispensers and medical services. So guys, these are the limitations of using the Pay Later feature on Revolut. And that's simply about it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!